Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the first week for my Mini Kit Monday for November 2018, and I showed you a sketch that I was using. I found it on Pinterest. It is by Anne Laurent for Inspiration Creation. And if you're interested in, finding some great sketch ideas, look on Pinterest. Oh my goodness, this morning I was just adding and adding and adding so many great ideas. And you're welcome to go look at my Pinterest. I know it's not inclusive, but it's at least a starting point. So I probably have mentioned this in my videos for September about the weather that we've had here in Texas. It rained every weekend from Labor Day, and I think it was for 7 weekends in a row. It rained, and we had the wettest September ever. And it continued to rain even on the weekends in October, and you just get a little tired of it. Well, if you also have been watching my channel, you know that I do a lot of pages of my niece's twins, and she takes a picture of them, if not every day, almost every day. And because she just can't get away from the rain, there's a couple of these that were taken on the rainy days. And most people do rain, pages in the spring, which it rains then too. But I'm telling you, I am definitely going to document all the rain that we've had here. Not necessarily on this, but so I am doing a couple of photos of rainy days that they had there. She lives in a different town than me. She lives about 5 hours south of me. And yes, that's still in the same state. So yeah, so that's what I'm documenting about or going to scrap about. So this sketch that I'm using had these black lines that I think they were journaling, and I couldn't really tell. And I grabbed a marker that I had that was, I probably should just throw it away. It was pretty dry. I had to go over the line so many times, but it is a Faber-Castell. It's a Pitt pen, and it's the medium, and it's probably the one I use the most. I have another medium that's fresh. I should just go ahead and throw that away. Note to self, it's okay to throw it away. So that rainbow paper that is there on the right, I did not have that in my stash, but because I wanted a rainbow paper, I dug it out. I believe it is from Crepe Paper. That girl, oh gosh, Cute Girl. That's what it is, Cute Girl. But I didn't want the writing, which is now upside down. I think this is Dare to Dream. That's okay, because I have this little saying that says it takes sunshine and rain to make a rainbow, which was the whole point. That was going to be my main focus. Besides the photos was the little sentiment here. And I wanted to have some sort of a rainbow. Even though it's not a true rainbow, I get it. No worries. But to me, it works. And I couldn't use color photos with this rainbow because the colors just so didn't go. So that's okay. I print my photos from home. I made them both 3x4, and as I was putting them, into my printer setting, I just changed it to monochromatic instead of color, and this is how it turned out. I love that option. I've also done some photos that I've done a sepia tone, which is kind of a brown tone. I don't do that. I used to do it all the time, but I don't do it near as much. But I really love the look. I love the ability to be able to quickly change the colors of photos, without going into some sort of Photoshop, because I don't do that. I feel like I don't have time for that. All right, so now I've been jabbering on. I haven't really talked much about the page. I wanted to say something about these rub-ons, though. I've had them for about a year, and they are from One Canoe 2, and they're so pretty. But I was so disappointed. They did not rub off, and I know that's a thing when you hold on to them, but I just wasn't that much into the rub-ons when I first got the kit, and now I am, and now it's not working, and so I end up just leaving the plastic or it's not plastic, it's the acetate that's on top. I just left it there and just trimmed away as much as I could and promptly threw the rest of them into the trash. So now I don't have any of those butterflies to play with this month. But it's okay. I'll survive. And I know that I had a cork butterfly that was on my original, how I wanted this layout to look. I couldn't find it until later. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it on, and you'll see that in the still shots. Of course, there's some sequins. Some of them are from Spiegel Mom Scraps. These I got from Click Kits. They're pinks and greens and blues and some pink flowers. I think it's a nice accent. All right, so we're getting close to the end. I appreciate you guys watching me. Make sure you follow the other girls. Um, Take a peek at their channels, give them some love, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.